Let's meet the fighters.
My name is Dan Konecke. I'm fighting from Sheffield, and I'm 3-3.
My name's Andrew Clamp. I'm 3-0, soon to be 4, and I fight at Blackledge MMA.
My last fight was in November, I think. I finished the guy in 23 seconds, just rear naked choke.
I fought Brad Carter at Bowlers, can't remember, the MMA versus. Only lasted 15 seconds. I worked on what I wanted to do and used my hands, and it paid off.
Went well. I've done a lot of cardio, a lot of wrestling, because I need a wrestler. So.
We've been working on a lot of stuff at Blackledge MMA. Like I say, I train with a lot of beasts, and iron sharpens iron. I always say it, but it does work. Been working a lot on my hands, groundwork, and like I say, always wrestling. So.
Andrew Clamp, strong wrestler, powerful guy. Yeah, big guy. Yeah, strong opponent, worthy. I'm
fighting Daniel Konecke. I'm not sure of his record, but he's had a few good fights. Like he's fought my mate James Parker. Did pretty well, but Parker finished him, and I'm hoping to do the same like tonight.
It looks like a good show. I've had some good feedback about it, so can't wait. It's a massive card as well.
I'm made up to be fighting on ice again. Like I say, it's always a pleasure. Tom always sorts me out with some good matches, and like I say, all my fans can come down. It's not too far. Good venue. Some good fights before as well, so your mind's busier, which is, I think, it's important. Like just before you fight.
Gonna end up on the floor. TKO submission, one of them. Either way.
Basically, I see the fight going, winning again as always. First round, like all my other fights.
Meet the fighters in the red corner, weighing in at 93 kilograms, training at heavy duty MMA, all the way from Sheffield, with 3 wins and 3 defeats so far. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you Daniel Konecke. And let's see his opponent. I will
straight away with that typical sort of clampy style, straight in for the grapple.
Dan looking strong though.
Yeah, he's trying to out wrestle Clampy himself.
Dan will be looking for a top position.
Andrew now with the good underhooks there. Dropping that knee there straight away. As soon as Blackledge said it, he dropped it.
A good coach and fighter relationship between Andrew Clamp and Tom Blackledge.
Oh, it's a nice sweep.
Look at that. Now, this is where you do not want to be against Andrew Clamp.
He's got some vicious elbows. He's got some serious side control as well. Watch for him to he'll put that elbow across the face and then drop the elbow. There we go. So he's good work from Koneke.
Great work from Dan.
Really good work from Koneke.
Now Dan's on top. Let's see what Dan can do on top. Dan needs to work the strikes himself.
So Clampy going to work that leg out there. So there we go. So he's now into a half guard position. So he's still in full mount.
Koneke controlling the top position. Look, He's managed to turn Clamp over. This is not what you'd expect. Can he work a submission? He's not going to make Clamp quit easy, but he's got him in a really bad position here.
He has, he's got him flattened out. It's a very horrible position to be in any kind of a fight, especially pro, and he's gone for that choke now. Very high back mount though. Maybe look to come on the back door there, or the side door even. And then Clampy turns that round and starts throwing some serious shots.
Now someone's getting punished.
And that's what we were saying before, you know, not many people.
But Dan's showing again what he's got.
Going for that, he's going for a Kimura there. I can't really see what he's going for. Yeah, it looks like he's going for a Kimura. Look for Clampy to start dropping that left elbow.
This is exactly the kind of fight that Andrew Clamp needed.
It really is. He needs that scrappy grapple. And he's now dropping some big fights. He's got that that right arm trapped now. And Koneke's not going to enjoy any of this. He's going for a possible footlock there. Looking for a heel.
Yeah,
Clampy sees that coming.
Bang! Big shot back down.
You know, when you're working with people like Tom Blackledge, heel hooks are something that they train on every single day. You know, they don't ever.
He's got both hooks in here.
And now this is where you don't want to be with Clampy. Watch for him to grab the wrist and flatten him out. Grab proof for that wrist, flatten him out, and then start dropping some shots. There we go. So he's got the grab on the wrist. He'll pull that through. There we go. Flattens his guy out, starts dropping some shots now. Koneke's not going to like this, and it's only a matter of time. And that's it. And that's another victory for Andrew the Vice Clamp.
That is a great, great win.
For the centre of the cage, please. Finals for the centre of the cage. And of course, the verdict is in, but before we say that, can you please give a round of applause for your two fighters here, please, ladies and gentlemen. What a fight! And of course, the verdict is in, and winner by way of first round TKO is Andrew Konecke. Of course, please show respect for Dan Konecke.
I'm here with your winner, Andrew the Vice Clamp. Andrew, another move here, you go to 4-0 now, and you're stepping up that light heavyweight rankings. Tell your thoughts on the fight tonight.
Disappointed. I looked on something and looked at it, still won my nice one, Trevor. Good luck.
Tell us a little bit about how you put your match on and how you prepare for this.
Same goal as you all say now. Tom, everyone, all the teammates, all these, all of you. Everyone, John Jones, Tom the Beast, all the boys.
So, you're at 4-0 now, you're now stepping up that light heavyweight rankings. What do you want next for yourself?
Keep winning.
And is there anything you'd like to say to all the fans that got to watch you today?
I love you, little rascal.